Sprinkles, are you gonna help me wash all that? You gonna watch me wash the wigs? You gonna help me clean them? Huh? Thank you. We have to clean them. They're dirty. Look at that. Kakaramakara looking. Okay. Ooh, sprinkles.
Oh no, again.
You like that one?
Huh?
Go ahead, Sprinkles. Go ahead, Sprinkles. There, you can stop crying now.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. You happy now? You happy now? Chilletas. This girl. Here, I'll hold it for you. Like this. Easier?
I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy now? You keep crying, I'll go take it back with your mom, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You having fun?
Yeah, fun.
Oh, Sprinkles. Damn, Sprinkles.
Yeah.
Damn, Sprinkles.
I go.
Keep it on, Sprinkles.
Yeah.
I love you.
Want to me?
Huh? No, it's too late to go swimming.
Okay. Is it games? What games? Yeah.
Huh?
What?
Are you done?
You're done.
You all done? A different color. Sprinkles.
I did, yeah.
Pick a different color.
Big.
Girl, why are you picking dark colors?
Yes, yeah. Yes.
Pick a bright color. I like bright color. I don't like dark colors.
Color, yeah. It's red.
What color is that?
That's red.
What color is that?
It's color red.
Black.
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 Okay. Let's go,
Do
yeah.
pink. Try pink. You want to get my eye? Girl, you're digging. There you go.
Let's go, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What color is that?
Color is
Pink.
blue.
Say pink. Pink.
Pink.
Okay,
yeah.
great. Pink. Doing my... You done?
Ta-da.
Keep it on, Sprinkles. Wow. Damn, Sprinkles. Look at you getting down. You're not done? I thought you were done. All right, go. Good job. You done?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
Ooh, girl. Que perra. Ooh, Sprinkles. Okay, Sprinkles, we're done now.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Done? Look at you. You got some paint on you too. Look at the hard work.
Hi, Tia.
Hi, baby. You want to go to bed now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go take you a bath so you can go Mimi's, okay?
No.
Yes, you got to take a bath so you can go Mimi's.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Then I won't give you no candy. Then I won't get you nothing.
Sorry.
So that's why I got my mom, huh?
Dear.
Huh?
What dear?
What, dear? You ready? Listen now, we gotta take this off. We gotta go Mimi's. This girl. Okay? Ready? Ooh, sprinkles! Hot mama! Ooh! Mom took me to the bus to the yard. La, la, la. Ooh, sprinkles! Can I do your makeup now? Sprinkles, not fair. Not fair, Sprinkles. You make me look like this, and I can't even make you look like nah, Sprinkles. You're not fun.
Another.
Go. Go. Ooh, go show Nana.
Yeah.
Let's go show Nana how you look. Yeah.
Cheese.
So we're looking hot, mamas. Let's go show Nana. Ready?
Okay, ready.
Ready. Let's go show Nana. Woo. Okay, come on. Ready? Don't take it out so Nana can see. Guess who's here visiting me? We had fun today, huh, Sprinkles? We're having fun. So Sprinkles, she got to do my makeup. Sprinkles. Shusha, why are you being so losa?
She's not.
Sprinkles.
Huh?
Love you.
I love you.
Oh, my baby. Shusha, why are you being jealous? Shusha being a hater. No, Sprinkle, we're not going nowhere. No, it's too late to go anywhere, Sprinkles. Huh? Even Sprinkles. She wants to go. Be nice, Sprinkles. Why are you being mean to my chocolate, my choo-choo, What happened? What happened? Chucha's being a little celosa. How to Chucha? Alright, Sprinkles, I'm gonna put this one back on, okay? Let me go show Nana how you look, okay?
Okay.
You looking hot mama. You made me look like a hot mama too, huh?
Okay.
Look. Bam! Look at that. Ooh.
Look.
Ooh. We're looking hot.
Head. His head.
Huh?
Is your head?
You looking hot?
Yeah. Just the body, baby, the pack. Look here.
You want the other one?
No. That's another.
Sprinkles. Woo! Sprinkles. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, you fixed that, girl. Tia.
Another.
Crazy Sprinkles. Why you mad? She's mad because it's time for us to go to bed. Come on, Sprinkles. We gotta go meet me. I'm sleepy. Yes. Why you being ugly? Why you being ugly? Come on, let's go Mimi's. It's time to go Mimi's. Look at that mess you did over there, homegirl. Come on, we'll go Mimi's. Yes, Mimi time. She's mad. Sprinkles, love you.
Love you.
Becho, becho. Yeah. Girl, this girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Ooh, rock on. I love rock and roll. Boom, 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 baby. Yep, make sure you get my neck. Don't forget the ears. So today we're doing inside out look. The blue one, Sad, whatever her name is, Sadness, or right? Spring blue. All right, blue, homegirl. All right, here we go. And I paint my face. Gentle, girl, you stabbing me. Gentle. All right, get it. My eye. There you go. Sprinkles is doing my makeup today. We're doing inside out look. Ooh, Sprinkles, she hooked me up. Good job, Sprinkles. Alright, you guys, so we're finally done. Damn, from inside out. It's called Sadness, I think. Yeah, Sadness. Oh, fuck you. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Is that what I do?